In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can make $350 every single day by working from home, even if you have no skills and no work experience. And I'm going to be showing you how to do this right here, regardless of any country you come from around the world right now, because this particular strategy is available to people worldwide. Whether you're in the United States, you're in the United Kingdom, in Nigeria, Ghana, Pakistan, or any other country around the world, this is actually going to work for you right now. And you'll be able to make money with this strategy that I'm talking about in this video right now. And just to further prove that everything I'm showing you in this video is completely accurate and it actually works, you can take a look at the screen right now. As you can see, this is a PayPal amount or a payout of $350 right now that was sent to me via my email. And all I basically did to make this amount of money was literally following all the steps that I'm going to be showing you in this particular video right now. So firstly guys, you want to go on to picking a skill or a niche which you want to focus on, and there are various niches you can actually focus on right now. There are a lot of niches right there, so you want to just simply select a specific niche. And guys, like I said earlier, you don't need to be skilled in that specific niche, but we're also going to make money promoting stuffs in that particular niche with the strategy I'm going to be showing you in this video. And just for the purpose of this video guys, I'm going to be sticking on with the logo design niche right now. So you can actually come right here on Fiverr right here and go on to searching for any niche of your choice. As you can see, most of the popular niches on this platform are actually the website design niche, WordPress, logo design, and AI services. If I do select logo designs, I'll be able to see a lot of individuals that are offering this gig on this particular platform right now. But what I intend on doing is to just simply promote a logo design maker right now with the help of this particular platform right now called Fiverr. And if you're not familiar with Fiverr right here, Fiverr is actually a freelancing platform where people that are interested in getting a specific service done for them are gonna come onto the platform, search for that specific service, and get someone that is skilled and experienced in that niche or in that particular stuff which they are looking for to do the job for them, and they're gonna pay them some cool cash right now. As you can see, you could get people that are skilled in graphic design, maybe logo and brand identity, art and illustration, web and app design, and a lot more other cool stuff right now, and they can actually work for you and you pay them some amount of money. You can see programming and tech, digital marketing, video and animation, and a lot of various niches right now. So what you want to do right now is to come onto this platform called the fiverr.com/partnerships/affiliate. If you come onto this platform, you can become a Fiverr affiliate right now. As you can see, you can join the Fiverr affiliate program and start earning by recommending world-class freelance targets. You join the program right now, and you can also see right here, you can meet the products. Affiliates can choose to promote a variety of Fiverr products right now. You can see the Fiverr right now, Fiverr Pro, and also the logo maker. But what I'm going to be interested in right now is this logo maker. As you can see, this is a sophisticated AI that instantly generates logos that match specific business and styles based on a wide selection of original graphics made by talented Fiverr designers. Now, the reason why I'm actually focusing on this logo design niche is because a lot of people that are actually interested in going into business right now are going to be needing a logo for their business. So this niche is actually a very cool niche because they will be actually needing someone to design a logo for their business, and that's where you actually come in, promoting this logo maker, and you're going to be making money right now by promoting that as an affiliate on the platform right now. And if you're not also familiar with affiliate marketing is a type of marketing whereby you get a company's product, promote that product, and once you actually get sales for that product right now, the company is going to be paying you some cash right now or compensation for you promoting that product and getting some cool sales. So depending on the amount of sales you get, that depends on the amount of commission you actually be earning. So basically that's what affiliate marketing is all about. So you can actually see right now, if you're actually focusing on the marketplace gigs, maybe you want to promote marketplace gigs, you can actually make about 25% of your first order right now, and you can also get 10% of future orders. Now for your pro services, you will get about 70% of your first order, and you also make 10% of future orders. While for the logo maker right now, you're going to get about 30% for your first order of $30 right here for your first order, and about 10% of featured orders right now. That's quite amazing right now. So you want to select this promote the logo maker. If you do select that, you're going to be brought to this page right now, and you can also go on to meeting the logo maker right now. You can see much more details as to why you want to promote the logo maker. As you can see, it works. The logo maker affiliate enjoys high conversion rates to the tune of stats, and it actually pays you right now at $30 CPA. They offer logo maker affiliates best in industry commission rates, and you can see much more details about the particular platform and how this actually made stuff easier for you. So you want to come down to this section and you want to click on join Fiverr affiliate. Now once you're brought to this page right here, you want to just fill out this fields or this form shown to you. You can focus on the fields all with the red asterisk signs, as that indicates the necessary field you must fill out before an account can be created on the platform. You want to fill out your first name, last name, email address, username, password, confirm the password. You want to select the account type right now. Now you want to just simply come right here for the account type. Make sure you select the private right now. You also want to go on to selecting this option that says do you have a main source of traffic. I can just simply put in something right here that says yes. You can see the URL right now. I'm just going to put in something like facebook.com. So if I do put in something like this, you want to come onto the country, fill in your country. If you have a secondary URL, you can put that. If you are actually an English speaking person, you can select English, or you can just simply change that to any other language of your choice right now via this section. If you do have a Skype ID, you can actually put that in here, but that is not actually compulsory since it doesn't have the red asterisk sign. So you can then go on to clicking on next after filling this form and get your account created. So once you've created your Fiverr affiliate account, this is exactly how it looks on the inside. And as you can see right here, I haven't really been able to promote Fiverr affiliate that much. I've just promoted this once this month, and you can see right here I've made about $15 right here, and it took me about 30 minutes to make this. And I'm going to be showing you exactly how to make this money right here. So just keep on watching and pay attention. So once you're on this dashboard right here, you want to just simply come over to this section that says marketing tools. Then you want to come over here to this section that says default and deep links. Now you want to come over to this section that says local mega new plan, and you want to copy this affiliate link right here. So once you copy that, you want to just simply go on to putting that in a safe space. Now you can actually go on to pasting that in a section, maybe like a notepad or a Word document or any section of your choice right there. So far that is actually going to be safe. So next guys, after keeping that affiliate link in a safe space, you want to come over to Google, and you may want to just simply go on to searching for stuff like logo design. So if I do search for logo design right now, I'm going to click on enter. I'm going to go into the image section, and I'll be able to see a lot of cool and amazing logos. So I can just simply come right here. Maybe I'm going to select this one right now. If I just select this, I'm just going to download this particular image on my device. So to save the image on your device, you just need to right click on the image and save image as. Now once you do that guys, you can just simply go on to saving this image on your device. You can go on to downloading many other images of your choice right now. Now once you've downloaded some cool images, you want to head on over to this particular platform called facebook.com. Now while on Facebook, you want to come over to this search section, and you may want to just simply go on to searching for stuff like small business owners. Now if I do go on to searching for the small business owners right here on Facebook, so if you take a look at these guys, you can see the results of my search right now, and you can actually take note of these groups, which you can actually do see right here. If I do go on to clicking on see all, I'll be able to see all the groups related to that particular search term, and these groups are actually for people that are small business owners right now. Now you can actually be certain that everyone in the group are actually small business owners. So you want to just simply go to checking out this group. You can see this group has about 172,000 members, and it usually gets about 10 plus posts per day, which indicates the group is an active one. You want to just simply go on to joining that particular group. So if I do open the group, you can just simply join the group right here, and after joining the group, you may want to just simply go on to writing something. Now you can actually come onto this section, and right here in this section you want to type in something quite cool and catchy, something like this, which says, Hello, I'm a fantastic logo designer and I can help you create a logo for your business. You can click the link below to check out my logo design service. Now once you do this guys, you want to just simply come right here, this section you want to paste in that particular link which you actually did save for that particular logo maker. And if you do copy the link, you want to just simply head first of all to this particular platform called tinyurl.com or any other link shortener which you can actually gain access to. Now you want to come right here to this section that says enter long URL. So what I'm going to do right now is to come onto this section, paste in that lengthy URL and click on shorten URL. Now once you do that guys, you'll be able to get a new URL for that link. Copy the link, head back to your Facebook right now and paste that link right in here. Now this actually looks quite better. You want to just simply come right here to this section, click on this image, and you want to also go on to uploading that particular image right now. Now as you can see right here, the image has actually been uploaded right here, and this is actually a very cool one right now. You want to then go on to posting this on this group, and for as many people that are actually interested in gaining access to or getting a logo for their business right now, because this is a small group for small business owner, they're just simply going to see this, contact you, and or go on to utilizing this your unique affiliate link to head on to this particular Fiverr logo maker, and you're actually going to go on to making money. Once they actually do go on to purchasing that or utilizing the tool right now, you're going to make up to $30 right now for your first sales and 10% on your future orders right here. So this is a cool way which you can make money online. You then want to just simply head back to Facebook, and you want to just simply go on to utilizing the same strategy for many other groups right here, and make sure you do that appropriately to get a lot of cool traffic to your link and also make money as a Fiverr affiliate for the logo maker. And I do hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any question, you can drop that in the comment section down below, and don't also forget to check out my channel right here, OJ Marketing, because I regularly create videos on cool ways to make money online. You can scroll through the channel, you can see a lot of cool and amazing strategies to help you out. You could also hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.